Well, I guess the one thing good about being stuck home for weeks on end is that we're actually getting things done. Today we have lots of projects going on. We have baseboards that we're painting. I just got finished doing all the caulking on the baseboards. Basically we took out all the baseboards, we put brand new flooring down and through the kitchen and the hall, and it looks amazing. We're so happy with the way it turned out. And so we had to take out all the baseboards to do that. So now we're in the process of putting them back in, caulking, painting, and doing touch-up paint along all the walls and getting furniture put back in its place. We also have little cracks and stuff in the walls that Daniel filled in, and so we have to go back and repaint those. We also have another project that we're doing under the TV. Daniel is been making these boxes for me. So actually he had all the pieces cut already, and then today he's just putting them together, and then we get to see the finished product, and like that is so exciting. Daniel's also fixing the tub. We needed to scrape out all the caulking around the tub and refresh, just put in new stuff, because you know the tub gets old and starts to peel off. So today he's gonna clean out all the old stuff and re-caulk. And we kind of cheaped out when we remodeled this house, and we kind of bought a cheaper tub, and unfortunately if you drop something on it, it chips. So we had these two chips, probably about the size of, I don't know, a nickel, and so he bought a little kit to repair those spots on the tub. And so again, it's like one of those things that we've put off for years. I mean, we have had those two chips in the tub for, I don't know, one has been there for sure for 7 years before we moved in. That one, somebody dropped a tool in the tub and knocked part of the finish off, and then the second chip happened later on. So, but you know, basically since we've lived here, we've been looking at those ugly chips in the tub. So today he's gonna fix those, and I'm excited to not have to look at those anymore. So that's another project. Again, like today we were just doing tons of projects. So hey, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love that if you hung out, stuck around with me. I do tons of different stuff on my channel, from baking to making things, or minimalizing, all kinds of stuff. All the things that I love and that I want to share. So please stick around. Please give my video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Say hello. I love to hear from new people. Let's get all this stuff done. And this right here is why I have to repaint these windowsills. I'll start painting the windowsills and the baseboards after the boys are in bed tonight.
supposed to have multiple coats, so it's possible. And the rest of it, you put half of it in the freezer, and then if you need to do more, then you pull that out of the freezer, and then you apply some more coats. So there's that one, and then obviously like that one you can see a little bit more through there, so you can tell you're probably gonna need more than one coat because you can still see it. And then probably take some high grit sandpaper, like some automotive grade or something, and probably lightly sand that off after it's dried. That would be my guess.
Huh? That looks awesome.
That's great. I gotta tap these nails in now. So some of these that didn't go in all the way.
Yeah. I can't even see.
Some of them didn't go all the way in. Okay.
That makes a huge statement, I think, in our living room. It looks really good, and it's something that we've been wanting to do like for years. And you know, it's just like one of those things that you're just like, yeah, you keep pushing it off because you don't have the time for it. But now we're home and we have all this extra time, so it's like it's been really good because things are getting done. And I'm just, yeah, like I said, I am so excited to just see everything start to come together, and all the ideas that I've had in my head are being done. Everything looks so crisp and clean with a fresh coat of paint on it. Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.